Hi guys, today we're going to make another banner of a capybara. Now this time we can have two capybaras. This is the baby, the Mr. Baby, this is the bigger one. It actually eats this pizza and the mouse go in this pizza. Actually goes in this one goes in this one, and actually I think this is my fault. Actually, this is got everything. And this one got everything to him. And who's the one who can be this one? Like, he has 4 stuff and he has 2 stuff. Actually, this is the blanket for him too.
No.
Now we can put everything here. You guys see it. And the last one that wait, it's this way. Here, this one. This one is the more stringed one, the stringed one. But after this one is the bathroom, then this one goes right here on the end. Actually right here. Go to the back. Now this is ask the blanket. For asking for him and for her. And this one my we can make some things with this one just be lost. Now, you saw the burst. And this is a rainbow capybara. Like, it's the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. You saw it right here with strange white. I think this is one where we can see it. And this is the pink. The more have a pink. Now, let's think about this one. Like, just about the strength. Why? It has to be more teeny tiny than the others. The more teeny tiny thing is this one. Now, this is the burst of for him and for her. It's to do for everybody. And this is the bathroom. I already showed you. This is the big pizza. It goes this one, and this one goes this one. The last thing, the small one, and the big one. Now we can start playing first. But this one here on the same sides. This goes here and this goes here. And for him and for him. Actually, this is for all of us. Now, he was this right here. Now, pretend she's sleeping with him. Wait, look right here. Just pretend he's sleeping. He's saying nothing. Wait to wake up. He's saying nothing at all. He's on the forest. Actually, it's a strange one. Like, actually, he needs to walk right here. I think that's the stage where he's supposed to up. Now. Now he's just walking with her. He's going right here. And we put it down here. This ain't nothing. It's going to eat. But this is covered to everything. It doesn't can see any of these ones can see. No, we can see like here. It is a little solid. Now, he flip it, because he eats everything. I just can flip it and he eats everything. Now, he just stay here. Now, he can go to the walk, but first he can brush his teeth. My first one, because here, but this don't fit at all. That don't fit. It don't fit this is a little. Now he's gonna get his bag and now he's there. Wait, he's just a little straight away. He's on the other way. Now, right here. After fits, the one that fits, and now we can get both of these. Done. Now we can go on a ride. What is the park? And he can float all the presents in there. Now he's going. But then this is the playground. He needs to send all the presents. It's right here, and after I want to do a maze for him. He doesn't know everything. He's the park now. He can get the present, the pink one, yellow, green, blue, orange, and purple. He gets everything. And 3 for him, 3 for him. Now done. Now, goodbye. Now can eat the pizza. Now he can take a little nap. How he makes dinner. Now the plate. And then he's just eating it. It's a plate. And eat now here for him. Now he just goes like him. Now he just goes for his. And then the fish done this right there. Now he just right there. Wait, why's that not going? It's like crossing a leg. But he eats his breakfast. He's gonna have to. He's everything. He eats everything now. He can go. That's where his day. Done now. He can sleep all night. He has a stuffy. Oh, actually, this is the stuffy too. It's fluffy now. He can still. Cause here, this is actually a stuffy was a bag and food. Well, after that is with the food. Now this he was eating first. Now then. Now he just wake up, eat some breakfast, some pizza, he just eat his pizza. Now he needs to eat his food. Now he's going to school again. Now he needs to eat the second. That's what his pizza like. He just got to get him. It just works. Then, now it's time to go home. Now it's going to sleep again. Oh, this time he don't get sleep with his stuffy. And in here. You have to get his leg here. You don't can see where he's on the face of the little pieces of him. It's just like that piece. You see it? Now it's time to wake up. He just eats it. Don't do my next video. Goodbye. See you in the next video.